Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing 3 quick and simple budget-friendly DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
So for the first DIY, I started off by cutting the lower branches of the olive stem.
The air feels just like water.
Next step, to give the stem more support, I added this wood stick that I got from Dollar Tree and started to wrap floral tape, and also I went ahead and added the small branches with the floral tape as well.
This could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
Next up, I went ahead and added the floral tape from the top to the bottom.
Give me your attention.
To make it more realistic, I just added some brown paint onto the stem. Next up, I added some ivory chalk paint onto the clay pot. I also went ahead and added a little bit of moss onto the stem.
I'm looking at you. I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too.
For the second DIY, I started out by removing the glass from all of the 4 picture frames, and I went ahead and painted them with some ivory chalk paint and let it dry for at least 10 to 15 minutes.
You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
Next step, I went ahead and just sanded the picture frames with a sand block.
That I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow.
To hold all the 4 picture frames together to make the lantern, I used some E6000 and some hot glue.
Time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you.
To decorate the lantern, I just placed this lavender decor piece I had and some fairy lights.
But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away.
All of the floral is from Walmart.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by spray painting the windmill and the planter with a metallic spray paint.
You know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes just
Next up, I just went ahead and added a little bit of this ivory chalk paint all over the planter and the windmill.
I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only.
To hold both objects together, I added some hot glue onto the welcome part, and I will be putting it onto the back of the planter.
Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Other than that, I hope you all have a great day and God bless.
You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see